Hi guys, it's me again. I'm gonna show you episode 2 of how to get the little Q-tip part. Let's go back to last episode. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna be a little bit dangerous, but the mic part, take a knife, make sure you're getting adult supervision by doing this. I'm not, because I did it like 100 times. So now what you need to do is, well, this is kind of weird. All you need to do, Mom, don't interrupt me, please. I'm doing a video. I'm making a video. Okay, I'm making a video. Can we go to the mall after?
I'm not involved. I need you to get ready though, because we're going out.
Okay. Guys, so now what you're gonna do be strong, don't be quiet. Be strong.